In this video, we are going to show you how to update QooCam 3's firmware via the QooCam 3 app. Before upgrading, prepare an exFAT format micro SD card. The following SD cards are recommended. Please make sure your QooCam 3's battery is charged to more than 50%. The update steps are as follows. Download the latest app from Kandao's official website. Or search QooCam 3 in the App Store to download. Turn on the camera and camera hotspot function. Turn on your smartphone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functions. Open the app. Tap the connect icon. And follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera. If there is a new firmware update notification pops up on the app, please follow the instructions to complete the update. During the firmware upgrade, the camera indicator light will alternately flash blue and green. When the upgrade is complete, the camera will automatically restart. You can check the firmware version under the About Camera section in the camera settings.